Hi guys, and welcome to another RacingDiffs Motorsports video when we will hit the track with another Porsche where we will examine how the differential from GT3 RS Porsche 991.2 works. "50 kilometers after, we burned all our fuel. And here we are on the Grobnik racetrack, waiting for the track to get dry, so our test driver can test the car and the differential functionality. Some further information what we actually did for this GT3 RS. We got feedback from the driver that the factory differential started to slip. Since the Porsche do not see the differential as the spare part, you can't buy one from the factory and replace it. Therefore, we had to step in and examine the internals of the differential, get a new design for the clutch plates inside the limited slip diff, produce RacingDiffs clutch stack and install it in the car. Time to provide some feedback to you guys what we did and what we tested on the track. We got a feedback from the driver that the differential now does not slip in the crucial moments, even in the wet conditions such as was today. So the differential on the Porsche holds extremely well now. Clutches are brand new RacingDiffs, so we did a great job. Enjoy in the next video.